my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy.
Hey, no, 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 no. Ah!
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, doing my hair, makeup, getting my clothes on. Walking into school, thinking of what is going to happen next. Oh, whoa, things are just caught up in my mind. Just cannot get rid of them.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
These little babies are about to pick their very own collars. She wants to go first. All right, little one, which one do you want? No, not me. One of these. The purple one? Okay. The black one? Okay. Oh, blue, okay. You like red? Oh, the cream one, okay. All right, tiny friend, you're up. Black, okay. All right, your turn. Which one would you like? The blue? Orange? Okay. Gray? Okay. Before all the vets on here get mad, I can fit 3 fingers inside every single one of their collars. They are breakaway collars specifically designed for puppies.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
apparently, everyone on TikTok thinks my dog's ugly because every time I post him, he only gets like.
Tell me why my dog's eyelash is so long and luscious. Look at these. Oh, she blinked for you. She's giving you a show.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
You know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
จะบอกให้มึงรู้ไว้นะว่ามึงไม่ใช่ผัวคนเดียวของกูผัวกูไม่เป็นร้อยเป็นล้านกูไม่แคร์คนอย่างมึงหรอก
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire battle.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence.
Esse é o Buda andando, ele anda assim mesmo, ele não foi treinado. Como ele fica muito feliz pra sair, quando ele chega no portão, ele já tá assim. Como ele não atravessa, ele desce. E o resto do passeio é esse grande vai e vem, nem 100% com as duas patas, nem 100% com as quatro patas. O atrativo aqui é a humana que tá ali na frente e ele quer alcançar.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello? Oh, mãe, mamãe, o que é? Nada.
E qual? Vem. Cosa ci fai ancora qui, steso sacco di merda? Non sarà ora di alzarsi? No?